everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for this video because we are finally redesigning my closet, you guys. This is what it looked like before. I mean, I just had zero space in here. It was filled to the brim, not organized, just made no sense. And I knew with so much space in that closet that it could be organized just a little bit better. So I'm super excited to get into the process of designing my closet. I actually ended up going to Ikea just to get some inspiration of the displays that they had, try to see what type of, fixtures and drawers and different pieces that you could put together. And it actually helped me a lot, and I was able to, decide kind of what I wanted. So I then went onto the Ikea website. They have a really easy online process that's super user-friendly, okay, and doesn't require expert help. Of course, they do have customer service. So you go through and you click through the prompts based on your space that you're designing your closet for. You just answer the simple questions. Now, this is important, you guys. Make sure that when you're filling this out that you have the correct measurements, okay? Because if your measurements are not correct, it's going to throw off the entire unit. So they have several templates that you can choose from, which was really helpful for me because I don't like to think that much. So give me some options. Your girl loves options. Give me some options and let me customize it the way that I want to. So I kind of knew based on the clothes that I have what type of layout I was looking for, and so I just picked the piece that was closest to the layout, and then I was easily able to switch through some things. So they have different color frames that you can choose from. I just stuck with white based on my aesthetic. You can add doors, you can add handles. I mean, there's just so many ways to customize your Pax system. So as you can see, I'm just going through and removing things that I know that I don't want and switching things around based on the layout that I see in my head. So it's a pretty easy process, you guys, and took no time at all. And as you can see, as you start to add and take away things, the price updates real time in the top right hand corner, so you see how much you're actually spending based on the customizations that you're doing. And I mean, $1,000 is a steal based on some of the the quotes that I've received from some of these custom closet companies. So honestly, if you're really looking to redesign your closet on a budget, this is it. This is the way to go. So now that I've ordered all the pieces, y'all, I went ahead and cleared out my closet. This is how it looks. I might try to put a before and after, or y'all could just scroll back to the beginning of this video. But this closet is big. It's huge, and I just was not utilizing it the way that I needed to based on how I had it before. So I'm super excited. We're about to start the breakdown process and get rid of these wire shelves. So let's go ahead and get into it. quick, you guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I highly recommend that if you think that you're going to do this by yourself, I really encourage you to think again. These units are very heavy, and so it really does require at least 2 people to kind of put it up, or at least hire a professional to do it on your behalf, because I was not about to do this by myself. Hey y'all, so we are about to put the finishing touches on our closet. So this is what it's looking like so far. Oh, I added pictures. I don't know if I showed you all that yet, but as you can see, there's one light in here and it's a little dark in spaces. And so what I want to do is add a gallery wall light over here over my pictures, but I also bought lights to kind of stick underneath, you know, the shelving, just to brighten it up just a tad bit. So we're gonna try them out. Okay, you guys, so these are the lights that I got them off of Amazon. I actually saw them from an influencer that I follow on Instagram. I was like, you know what, I've been looking for something like this, so let me open them. I'm gonna give them a try. I'll link them down below if you all are interested, but I do want to just try them out, give them a good review. So the package that I got actually comes with 6 lights, and so so this is how it looks. These are the lights. They have 2 different settings, so you can assign a group to them, and they're chargeable, so you can take them down, you know, charge it using, you know, just like a regular charger, and then stick them back up. And then the way you add it, there's no screws required. Like, you just peel this off and it just sticks to the wall. So let's try this out. And then this is the remote control, which also has 2 settings. So if I we'll see. I might have them all on the same group, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's go ahead and try to stick them up. So we'll go ahead and turn this to group 1. And then I'm going to peel the sticker off. And we'll just put it right. I might put it close because I don't want it too far in. So let's put it like right here. And I'm putting it like this part here, so if I wanted to change the group I can. And then also, well, I mean, the charging is gonna be what it is, but turn off the lights. It's not like super bright, but maybe there's a setting to make it brighter, and I think it's like if you wave your hand underneath it. Do you tap it? I thought if you like waved it, it was motion sensor. No, maybe not. Okay, that's fine. Tap works, I guess. All right, so let's just turn this off and let's keep going. Oh, that's interesting. So when I tap one, because it's a part of the same group, it controls both. Huh. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Do the same one with this. Now, what I will say is I'm a little nervous about, like, the sticker is literally just a sticker that's sticking up there, but it, like, I'm not doing much to secure it. So I'm a little nervous about how like randomly one night, is it just gonna fall? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I wish there was a better way to secure it. So I don't know, we'll test it out and see how that works. Moment of truth. It's not bad, y'all. Obviously the sun is out, so that's why it's a little bit more brighter, but I don't know, I kind of like it. At the end of the day, it's more so for aesthetics. Like, I'm not trying to do too much. So I just want to show y'all something. So I tried to remove, I was like, how does this work? Because I thought it was a sticker, right? And so I tried to remove to charge it, and it's actually magnetic. Wait, okay, now I like this, because I thought this was just a sticker that was stuck on here. I didn't realize it was a magnet. So when you remove it, it stays to the surface. Oh, that's lit. Okay, we in there now. That's lit. That actually makes me like this 10 times more, okay? I think the only caveat about this, you all, is that it's not as bright. However, I think from an aesthetics purpose, it does what it's trying to do. If you really want to like illuminate your closet, you're probably going to have to buy, you know, actual light, like get actual lights installed, like either, you know, update your fixture or just get like the LED lights. The problem is I don't have a plug in here, and I didn't want to pay for an electrician to come in and do work. So this was just, you know, something that I probably don't even need, but this will work for now. You know what I mean? For me to feel like, oh, I'm doing something in my closet, like that's really what this is for. So I actually like that. You easily take it off, and it's a magnet, and then it just slides back up, and then you could charge it. Because I was like, how do I charge it if I'm taking the sticker off? Is it gonna stick? Like, so they do recommend you all that you wipe down the surface before you stick it. Of course I didn't do that. But I would recommend, like, if you're looking, you know, to use this, just wipe down your surface. That way the sticker or the adhesive can stick for a long period of time. So yeah, actually I think this was about maybe like $70 for the 6-pack that I got. This is my shoes. I'm curious to see if I want to add them on all the rest of my shelves. I don't think I'm going to be honest. Like, this was just really, like, it came with 6, so I was like, oh, I'll just put it here. I think they have a 3-pack and a 6-pack, and so I needed 4 for these. I didn't really care about this because this is also right underneath the light anyway, so I just stuck the 2 here. I don't think I'm gonna get any more, but you could. But this is how it looks. And to be honest, oh, let me actually close the door because I'm like, it's bright, but let me close the door. Okay, I mean, it's not bad. It is on the dim side, and so I think that there's other things that I can do. Like, if I was really about to close the door and spend time in here, and again, I think I could put 2 gallery wall lights to get some extra lighting in here. But to be honest, you guys, like, I don't think I'm doing anything else. I think this works for what I need to do. The light actually isn't bad, and yeah, I like it. Okay, not bad for an upgrade, you guys. I was doing pricing out different custom closets, and all of this came together for $1,500. Like, and it does what I need to do. It gives me the vibe that I'm looking for, and I'm pleased. So yeah, I mean, you can do this, guys. So if you like this, I will link this down below. But yeah, I think it came out nice.